Hi guys, good morning. Ako na po ni. So today is April 26, 2025 at mainit-init na balita galing po sa ating Migrant Workers Office of Dubai and Northern Emirates. Nagpalabas po sila ng official advisory po kahapon ng updated version po ng ating contract verification process. So maalala niyo po, mayroon po tayong 4 na ways to do contract verification. Yan po ang online appointment, online submission, walk-in, and through authorized representative. Ngayon po, effective May 1, 2025, dalawang option na lamang po ang ating pagpoproseso ng contract verification, and that is online submission at walk-in. So ito nga po ang official na advisory dated April 25, 2025, advisory number 07 series of 2025, updated contract verification options. Now, to manage the number of OFWs visiting the MWO Dubai and Northern Emirates and to expand the reach of the post online contract verification system, we inform the public that starting May 1, 2025, MWO Dubai and Northern Emirates will implement changes on its employment contract verification process, and the following options will be adopted starting on the aforementioned date. Unang-una po dyan ay ang ating online submission of documents, at pangalawa, walk-in 1 working day before the flight. Description of this contract verification options is indicated in the annex of these advisories, and OFWs are encouraged to use option 1, which I always suggest po and highly recommended ko po talaga ang online submission ever since, to avoid queuing and visiting MWO Dubai 1 working day before the flights. Napakahalagang i-note din po natin about the OWA membership and renewals. Nakalagay din po dito sa advisory. So dapat po nating pakatandaan. Sinasabi po dito, workers who are simply renewing their OWA membership and are still working with the same employer registered with OWA may visit OWA Dubai directly on any working day without the need for prior appointment. Kasi maalala po ninyo, mayroon poong sariling appointment system ang ating OWA, no? So hassle po sa atin, kahit renewal lang po yung ginagawa natin, is magpapa-appointment pa po tayo kapag pupunta for OWA purposes. Pero kapag po tayo ay nag-online submission at kumukuha na ng ating mga verified contracts, nakakadiretso naman po tayo sa kabilang building po para mag-proceed for our OWA membership or OWA renewal. So ito ay magandang news din kasi directly na po tayong pupunta for our OWA membership and renewal, no need for appointment. Sinabi din dito, those availing Pag-ibig services may also visit without an appointment, while OFWs availing SSS services may set an appointment through the mentioned link. So Pag-ibig at OWA po, no need na ng appointment. But for the SSS, kailangan po ng appointment. So ito po yung sinasabi na annex, no, para po sa updated contract verification option. So nakalagay po dyan, option 1, online submission documents, at option 2, walk-in. When I first saw this, guys, I read it and I was thinking na wala naman talagang nabago sa proseso, no. I just noticed na ang limits ng ating slots for online submission ay ginawa na pong 800, no? Kasi dati po it's 500 slots, ngayon naging 800 slots. So wala pong nabago sa ating online submission documents process. Ganon pa rin po. Every Monday pa rin po ang form na lalabas, no, sa ating mga MWO Dubai Facebook official page at sa ating MWO Dubai official website. Nag-open po ang slots na ito every Monday alas 8 ng umaga, or sinasuggest ko po lagi mag-abang na po kayo earlier than 8 a.m. At nag-open po ito supposedly hanggang Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. But as per experience, lagi po tayo nakaka-experience na every Monday before mag-12 noon, napupuno po agad ang slots na ito at nagko-close po agad ang form. So I always suggest na mag-abang po kayo earlier than 8 a.m. for the form, at dapat nakapag-online submission na po kayo before 12 noon para po makakuha po kayo ng slot. Then nakalagay din po dyan ang processing time, which is 11 working days. Well, as far as our experience are concerned, it took us 3 weeks up to the time na makuha po natin ang ating verified contract once po tayo ay approved. No, nakalagay po dyan ang sample form schedule, no, ang ating mga links for the website and the official Facebook page. Ang covered lamang po ng online submission ay yung mga covered po ng MWO Dubai, which are those OFWs with visas from Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Fujairah, Oman, Queen, Ras Al Khaimah, or are working in any of these Emirates. Hindi po kasali pa rin ang mga Abu Dhabi at Al Ain visa under the Philippine Embassy naman po sa Abu Dhabi. So wala po kayong online submission po doon. Pangalawang option naman po ay ang walk-in. So wala pa rin pong nabago, same pa rin po ang walk-in. Okay, it's either 1 working day before your confirmed flight for the Philippines. Yung mga OFWs naman na may flight ng weekends or Monday, so it's Saturday, Sunday, or Monday, pwede pong mag-walk-in sa ating MWO Dubai Thursday or Friday, so nearest Thursday or Friday prior to the flight. So hindi po nabago ito pa rin po ang dating proseso ng ating walk-in, no? Nakasaad din po dyan, if the day before the flight was announced as a holiday or a non-working day, pwede na pong pumunta ang OFW on the nearest working day before your flight. So kung for example, Martes ang iyong flight, pero Lunes siguro ay working day or holiday, I think pwede na po kayong mag-walk-in ng Friday or kung ganun po, the nearest working day kung saan open po ang ating MWO Dubai office. Ito po yon, yung ating pong authorized representative na ways ay dapat isa po ito sa 4 na ways dati. Ngayon, nilagay na po nila under walk-in kasi automatically parang walk-in na naman po din ang ating mga authorized representative. Kung kayo po ay nakauwi na ng Pilipinas, pwede po kayong magpadala ng authorized representative to do your contract verification. Wala pong nabago dito. Pwede pa rin pong pumunta ang mga authorized representative 3 days before the OAC appointment sa Pilipinas or 2 to 5 days before ng OFW's flight pabalik ng UAE. Wala pong nabago sa prosesong ito. So totally po ang nawala lamang po sa ating updated contract verification option ay ang ating online appointment system. So ni-remove po nila ang online appointment system, and I believe ng online appointment system at walk-in ay available pa rin po sa ating Philippine Embassy sa Abu Dhabi for those who have Al Ain at Abu Dhabi visa. So yun lamang po ang panibagong update ng proseso ng ating contract verification options. At lagi ko po itong sinasabi na ang highly recommended ko po sa option na ito ay ang online submission. It will not take you 5 minutes guys para mag-submit ng inyong mga documents online, at hayaan nyo na lamang pong dumaan ang mga araw at mag-abang for the following week ng email kung kayo ay approve or disapprove or may mga hihingin po sa inyong mga additional documents. Once approved, mag-aantay ka uli ng panibagong email from MWO Dubai kung kailan po ninyo makukuha na ang inyong mga verified contract. Ganun lamang po kadali. So ang anunsyo pong ito ay available sa ating MWO official Facebook page at sa MWO Dubai official website. Pwede po kayong pumunta doon at i-download ang advisory na ito para po sa inyong kaalaman at official reference. Tandaan, kapag po nagpapa-verify ng contract or before po magpa-verify ng contract, make sure alam niyo po ang processing time, no, ang processing days before po ng inyong mga flight, kasi po ang iba nalilito po, no, hindi po sumasakto or too late na para magpa-verify ng contract. Ang walk-in po ay sinasuggest ko pong last option po ninyo, no? Especially kung alanganin po kayo sa inyong mga documents at hindi nyo po ma-provide lahat ng mga kakailanganin. Yun lamang po, please do share this video sa lahat ng ating mga kababayang OFWs dito po sa UAE. God bless everybody.